Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will take a look at Terraform's length function. So Terraform's length function is very useful because it can help you determine the size of your string, a list, or even a map. So to see it in action, I'm going to create a locals block, and in here I'll add 3 different variables for a string, a list, and a map. So let's say my string, and this will be equal to awesome, my list, and this will be equal to element 1, element 2, and element 3. And let's do also a map, and in the map we will just add a couple of properties like color, green, let's do age as well, let's say 35. So in order to see the length of these variables, I'm just going to use some output. So string length, let's say, and then add a value here. The value would be length of my string, of local.myString. We will do another one for the list length. So list length, length of local.myList, and another one for the map. So map length, and this will be length of local.myMap. So if I run this code right now, we are going to get the information. So what the length function does is it will count the number of characters in here, so this should be equal to 7. It will count the number of elements we have in the list, so this would be 3. And for the map, it will actually count the number of keys that we have inside of the map, so this should be equal to 2. So now if I run Terraform init and Terraform apply, we should see 7, 3, and 2. So list length is 3, map length is 2, and the string length is 7. So now you might wonder where you can use this in a real life example. So before for each came out, I was using the length of lists very much when I was using counts. So for example, if we want to create EC2 instances, we could say EC2 here, and maybe just add like EC2, EC1, maybe EC2, EC3. And what we can do is actually we can declare a provider here for AWS, just specify the region. I'll do EU West 1, and we can create an AWS instance in here, this, and we can add a count and say count is equal to length of local.ec2, and we'll have to provide an AMI. I'll just do something that's not going to work, and let's do an instance type as well, add it to d2.micro. So now if I run Terraform init, this will download the provider and all the packages that we require, and after that you're going to see that this resource will create 3 EC2 instances. So let's run a Terraform plan and see it in action. So if we run the plan, we're going to see that this creates 3 EC2 instances. If you want to even make it have more sense, we can add here a tags block, and this would be equal to, let's say, name, and the name would be local.ec2 of count.index. And if I do a plan again, we are going to see that every instance will have a different name. So the third instance is going to have EC3 as the name, the second one will have EC2, and the first one will have EC1. And that's it for this video. I hope it helps. If you liked it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also ring the bell to get notified when new videos are going to be posted. And see you the next time.